guys, back with another video.
So yesterday I finished adding some, I guess you call them pinstripes, to the side of the stripe I already added. And I think it just looks a lot better that way. I even got the back. And I'm pretty sure it lines up. Yeah, that's good. All right, guys. So, anyways, I also ordered some stuff for the BMW. Some more vinyl for it. I got one more thing I'm gonna do before import face-off in a couple of weeks. I'll put the flyer up for that. We will be there. It's in Ennis, Texas. Me and the rest of Toon Mafia will be there, and I'll be bringing the Beamer. First time Beamer going to IFO, so I'll be posting that here. And I got one more thing to do on that, which you'll see in a later video. Hopefully, if it shows up this week, and that way I can just put it on, weather permitting. For all my Volkswagen subscribers, I'm dealing with a boost issue. I think I'm losing boost. There's a boost leak somewhere. I don't know, but I'm gonna get underneath the car and poke around and see if I can find out what's causing it to. It sounds like it has a blow-up valve. It sounds pretty cool until you realize that you have no power. So I'm gonna figure out what the hell's going on there. So I'm gonna move this car and then bring the Jetta up, jack it up, and that's what we're doing today. So let's have some fun. Okay, you guys might remember the Jetta. Alright, so it seems to be leaking. I don't even know where it's leaking, honestly. I thought it was probably escaping out of this hose here. There was a blown O-ring there. I've since replaced that. I'm still getting the issue. This seems nice and tight. And I really can't see anything up top that's giving any issues. So I'm gonna go underneath and see if I can find anything. I got the car on ramps. I'm gonna take a peek underneath, see if I find anything really. See, I'm a big guy. I still get a little claustrophobic getting under these cars. All right, let me see if I find anything. A lot of oil. I should probably be wearing eye protection. There's the diverter valve. I was jacking with it and one of the screws did fly off, so I'm going to be replacing the screw, hoping that's what it is. If not, I don't know what else it could be. But there's no puddles underneath the car or anything when I park it, but there is definitely something going on. If you guys, let me see what the hell that is. Looks like that's where the leak is coming from. I'm gonna use 2 hands and slide underneath here, and I'll let you know if I find anything. I'm gonna wipe this thing down and see if I can find something. Okay guys, so I guess good news and bad news, or just, I don't know, maybe all bad news. When I'm thinking all the leftover oil residue, it looks like it's leaking, but again, I was leaking coolant for the longest, and I just did a water pump, replacement before, and I didn't clean the bottom. I probably should have, but what I did, I wiped everything down, and and I'm just gonna see if anything happens, I guess. All right, I did check the diverter valve, and it's on there tight. It is missing a screw. I lost a while back when I was diagnosing it, because this has been going on before I even checked with the diverter valve. I've been having this little whooshing sound, and I really don't know where it's going or where it's coming from. And anyways, so the reason I'm under here is because I was replacing one of the bolts, those bad boys. Anytime anybody's jacked with the diverter valve, they end up losing the top one because it ends up falling and disappearing back there somewhere behind the subframe. And the problem with that is, well, I ordered more screws, but they ended up being the wrong size. Just my luck though. But it gave me a chance to look under here and see if I could find anything, and I didn't. So if you know what it could be, or if you guys know what I might be able to check, I guess just yeah, leave it in the comments, because I'm kind of dumbfounded. No check engine light, no codes or nothing. It just sounds funny. I guess I'll show you an example of what it sounds like. I'll take it around the block and I'll see if I can get it on camera. Yeah, I guess not much was accomplished today. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna get cleaned up, and we'll see what else we got. See, the car starts up fine, no engine lights or nothing, but it's definitely something's wrong with it. All right, I'm gonna go around the block with the windows down. Hopefully you can hear something. Okay, guys. All right, let's go, guys. I guess whenever it goes off, I'll let y'all know. Here we go. I don't know if y'all got any of that. Let's try again. Alright guys, I know it's crazy windy out there, so I don't know if I caught any of that, but it's a whooshing sound. Whenever I let off on the accelerator pedal, you get this like kind of little blowback. You know, it sounds like a turbo blow-off valve. It has to be leaking from somewhere, but I just don't know where. I don't know. I'm out of ideas. I could think about replacing the diverter valve. Maybe it's faulty. Maybe it's allowing air to pass through. I don't know. It just started doing it out of nowhere. My thoughts, it's got to be the diverter valve, and maybe it's just faulty, but I don't know. I'm out of ideas. That's my idea. Maybe I'll order one here soon and replace it, and then hopefully it'll go away. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions on what it could be, let me know. I read the comments, so I guess with that, that's all I got for today, man. Sorry I didn't really get much done today, but at least we addressed an issue that's kind of been bugging me, and I know a bunch of my new subscribers are probably Volkswagen owners, so if this is something that you're dealing with, I got about 92,000 miles on this car. If this is something that's happening on your car, let me know if you figured out a solution, and that way I can get this fixed. The next thing I got for this car is brake pads. I know it's going to sound horrible, but I don't think I've ever replaced the brake pads on this thing ever. That's what's next for the Jetta. Brand new brake pads, maybe brand new rotors, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. If I get a good package deal on some, then I'll definitely slap some on, and we'll be doing that. We'll be doing that next. Yeah. I've decided on a vinyl wrap color for the Jetta, and that's what we're going to be doing next. And this is going to have a completely different look. So that's coming up after March. Well, after IFO, I'm sorry. That's going to be coming up in March after IFO. I'm going to get that ordered soon. I'll probably order one of those portable garage thingies. That way I don't have to worry about the elements and such, and I can work on it anytime I can. So that's what's next for the Jetta. Hopefully by April, May, by the time of my birthday, this thing will be sitting really nice and looking completely different. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for today. If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe for more content. Peace.